In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail to my homepage. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. There you will see three vertical dots stacked on top of one another. This is the menu icon. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This action will take you to the Settings page for Google Chrome. Accessing the settings is crucial because it allows you to customize your browsing experience according to your preferences. Once you are on the settings page, you will be ready for the next step. Next up, you will need to find the On Startup option. Look at the left sidebar of the settings page. You will see various options listed. Scroll down if necessary until you find On Startup. Click on this option to proceed. This section is important because it controls what your browser displays when you first open it. By setting it properly, you ensure that Yahoo Mail is conveniently accessible every time you start your browser. After clicking on Startup, you will be directed to a new set of options that will help you set your homepage. After that, you will choose the option that says Open a specific page or set of pages. This is typically the third option you see on the On Startup page. Clicking this option allows you to specify which pages you want to be displayed when you launch your browser. This step is essential because it lets you customize your browsing experience. By selecting this option, you're signaling to Chrome that you want to take charge of what appears on startup, making it more tailored to your daily needs. With that ready, you will now see an option to add a new page. Click on the button that says Add a new page. A small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a URL. In this space, type in https://mail.yahoo.com carefully. Make sure there are no typos in the URL because that could lead to errors when trying to access Yahoo Mail. After entering the URL, click the Add button. This action ensures that Yahoo Mail is now set as one of your startup pages. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that the page has been successfully added. Once that is done, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes are now saved, and every time you open Google Chrome, Yahoo Mail will be one of the first things you see. This little adjustment saves you a lot of time later by giving you quick access to your email. Now you can enjoy a more efficient browsing experience starting your day with your emails right in front of you. In summary, you have successfully added Yahoo Mail to your homepage in Google Chrome. This setup not only streamlines your online experience, but also ensures that you stay connected with your emails effortlessly. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy emailing!